Hello South Africa. Eskom ramps up load shedding to stage 6. Eskom has ramped up load shedding to stage 5 and 6 alternatively for the rest of the week. The embattled power utility had been implementing stage 4 rolling blackouts. In a statement, the power utility said higher stages of load shedding would be implemented due to the loss of generating units and the need to replenish the emergency generation reserves and increase planned maintenance. Stage 5 would be implemented until 1600 hours on Tuesday. Thereafter, Stage 6 would be implemented until 5 o'clock on Wednesday. This will be repeated daily until Friday, September 15th. Eskom said breakdowns are currently 16,784 megawatts of generating capacity, while the capacity out of service for planned maintenance is 4,987 megawatts. The delay in returning to service a generating unit each at Hendrina, Kendal, Matimba, Matla and Tutuka power stations is also contributing to the current capacity constraints, the power utility said. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.